Did you know you can clone your own voice in minutes using AI? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clone your voice using ElevenLabs, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create realistic AI voiceovers that sound just like you. Let's get started. First, go to the ElevenLabs website. Sign up using your email, Google account, or social login. Once you log in to ElevenLabs in the dashboard, look at the left side menu and click Voices. Once you enter the page, on the right side, you will see a button called Create or Clone a Voice. Click on it. Step 2. Upload or record your audio. In the next page, you will see two options. If you already have pre-recorded audio, click Upload Sample and upload your file. If you don't have any audio, click Record Yourself to record your voice live. You can also select the language while recording. For better and more accurate results, I recommend uploading or recording at least 2 hours of audio. ElevenLabs suggests recording up to 3 hours for a more professional quality voice clone. Step 3. Verify your voice. Once your audio is uploaded, ElevenLabs will ask you to verify your voice. The verification and cloning process may take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours. Fine-tuning the voice takes time, so the processing may be longer in some cases. Once this step is complete, your voice will be ready to use. Step 4. Use your professional voice. You can find your cloned voice on the Voices page with the name you saved as shown on this image. To use it, go to Text to Speech, paste or write your script, and select your cloned voice from the right side panel. Click Generate Speech, which appears below your script. Your audio will be generated, and you can use it for videos, reels, or other content. And that's how you clone your voice using ElevenLabs. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Want more AI tutorials? Check out the next video on your screen.